We will start with looking at differences between on-campus and off-campus jobs. The definition of on-campus job is any employment that the paycheck is issued by the University of Minnesota. F1 students can work up to 20 hours a week during semester and more than 20 hours a week during winter, spring, and summer breaks. Students can work any on-campus job, no need for the job to be related to their field of study. When an F1 student is going to be paid by an employer other than the University of Minnesota, they need to be authorized by ISSS before they start working. In order to be eligible for this authorization, the students have to have completed at least one academic year or 2 semesters of full-time study at a college or university in the United States. Lastly, the off-campus position need to be related to their major.